Hi, I'm Supriya from Plastimart.com. Plastimart is the world's largest leading B2B marketplace for the global plastic industry. We cover the entire spectrum of the plastic supply chain, starting from the polymer producer, master batches, and additive producers, manufacturing of plastic processing machinery and auxiliary equipment. We offer cost-effective advertisement solution to companies, helping them lower cost expand existing markets, reduce customer service time, create more collaborative relationship with the trading partners, and most importantly, create new revenue. Plastimart offers numerous advertisement tools like homepage banner. Here are a three type of homepage banner. Like this is a row banner, this is a billboard banner, this is a flag banner. Eye-catching homepage banner for the global branding and high recall value. We have other categories also, like buyers come to our site, he type a product which he want to search, and this is a search result. We have many categories related to master badges. We go to color master badges for plastic industry. Left hand side, this is a listing of master badges, like we are maintained your product listing in different categories with your product details along with your contact detail. So when buyer want to contact you, he can directly call you from these numbers. He want to mail you, he can just type your email id and send a mail to you, and he hit the send inquiry button, fill up a inquiry form and submit to you. This mail directly goes to these email IDs. This listing with Plastimart for a 1 year. Right hand side, we maintain a supplier list also. Like buyer come to a supplier, we maintain this type of web page for a particular client. Here we are maintaining about us, product and contact us. We maintaining a summarized website for paid clients. Here it is up here this product details and contact details. So same thing happen here. When buyer want to contact you, he can directly call. He want to mail you. He hit the inquiry button and send inquiry to a particular client. Here we have a category page banner also. This is another type of banner, category page banner. These banners we directly link to a website, or you want we can link to your home pages also, web pages like this. And if you want a link to a particular page of your website, we can connect to this banner to a particular page of your website. Hi, this is Supriya. This is another part of my previous video. Next tool of advertisement is an email campaign. Email short is an industry tested and proven method of announcing launch of a new product, advertisement product, dealership inquiries, establishment market channel, global promotion of conferences, exhibitions, and auctions, or it is a convey of a specific message. This email campaign is look like this. It's a one page ad. So if someone click on this emailer, it will directly goes to a particular form, and when someone fill up that form, it will and hit the submit button, that inquiry goes to the particular email boxes. And this mailer we maintaining in on plastimart.com feature product section for a 3 years. Next tool of advertisement is a press release. Press release of is a major development event of your company that would be general interest to the industry. This press release we are maintaining in press release section of Plastimart. This is a press release section. We are maintaining press release date wise, and this is a list of press release maintaining of Plastimart. When you click on that press release section, this is one of a press release. Will we maintain with your contact details? It will remaining on our site in a press release section. There are These are our multiple tools of advertisement. For more detail, you can go to our advertisement with a section, and these tools are maintaining in plastimart.com. Thank you.